Namaste, I'm Dr. Akhila Vinod, naturopath, yoga therapist, NLP practitioner. The second wave of corona have shown low levels of oxygen in several patients. I'll be giving you 7 effective interventions to prevent the complication. The first one, steam inhalation. The second one, sleeping position, side lying down position with 2 pillows on your head and 1 pillow between your leg. The third one, cupping method. Keep your hands like a cup and gently tap above the patient's back and on the side and also on their chest. This will help to release their mucus. Let's discuss the very effective yoga postures to improve the lung capacity, efficiency and to increase the oxygen level.
Lie down in Makrasana for some time and then slowly get ready for the baby cobra pose by keeping your hands gently on the mat on either side from your elbow till your fingers, and then slowly raise your chest, chin, and slightly gently look up and slowly exhale and come back to the original position. If possible, try to get up completely on your hands, loading your weight. Stretch your spine really well. Look up. Normal breathing during the practice. Slowly exhale and come back. And lie down back to the Makrasana again. Crocodile position. Try to practice this set of exercises 3 times in a day. 10 seconds holding and normal breathing pattern is followed.
The fifth one, lying down in prone position, minimum 2 to 3 hours in a day on your bed. This will help to release the mucus, to improve the oxygen levels and to ease the breathing. The sixth one, warm treatments or hot treatments like steam inhalation, steam bath, warm fluids, warm soup. This all will help to release the mucus inside, as well as it helps you to breathe better. The seventh one is nothing but pranayama or the breathing techniques, which is highly effective to increase the oxygen levels. Have a look at it. Friends, now let's discuss the very effective breathing techniques to increase the oxygen levels. The first one, deep breathing, deep inhalation and exhalation. You can sit in any comfortable position like cross-legged sitting position or sitting on a heel or a chair, but you have to keep in mind that your spine should be super straight. Now, gently keep your hands above your stomach to feel that more, and see to that you are expanding your chest as well as your stomach, and then it comes back to the original position when you exhale. But don't exaggerate your body like this when you're breathing in and out. So let's go with the 3 rounds. Deep inhalation. One more time. The slow, the better it is. Now the second one is nothing but the belly breathing. Here you are going to stabilize your chest and you are going to give more focus and concentration to your belly part. And you are going to fill your stomach as much as you can, and then you deflate it like a balloon. So when you inhale, You have to feel like a balloon is filling up with the air, and when you exhale, you have to feel that the air is gone out and it is coming back to the original position. It is more comfortable in a lying down position, but you can even practice in a sitting position. So let's go with the first round. You can feel that your fingers are wide apart when you blot it. Can you see that? One more time. These are very simple, 2 effective breathing techniques to increase the oxygen level. Now let's go for the third effective breathing technique that is associated with a posture. So come to a cross-leg sitting position and then keep your right hand on the side or on the same line of your right pelvis, and then keep it there and go with the left hand up above your head and then stretch. So you can feel your idle parts of your lungs are getting activated, and you can feel it on your ribs. You can feel the expansion of this area really well, and stay there for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exhale and come back to the original position. Let's go with the other side. See to that your left hand is on the side of your left pelvis, and you give a good stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale and come back to the original position. You can go for 3 times on each side. This is one of the very effective breathing exercise during the COVID attack. So patients, those who are having pneumonia, they have to go for this kind of stretches because doctors always advise them to move. If you become idle and you stay on your bed for a long time, there will be more of fluid retention in your lungs. So it's better to mobilize your lungs by doing this kind of yoga postures along with the breathing techniques. This will give you immediate result. So I suggest everyone to go for these 3 breathing exercises. The first one is a deep breathing, second one is belly breathing, and the third one is a side stretch breathing. Out of these 3, the third one, the side stretch breathing, is the highly recommended posture for pneumonia patients. Hope this video was beneficial for you. If you find it useful, please share with your friends and family, those who are having the breathing difficulty and other symptoms right now. Thank you. Please share if you care. Namaste.